Yeah, I want to express my appreciation, Rastaman say appreciate love, the fact that each and every one who mark present today, we know that you're a part of that crew who Bob Marley spoke about. Now we know who are the real revolutionaries. And it is obvious that you are. This is the beginning of a revolution. The revolution this time will not be on the scene on television, but as you see all these cameras, later it will be all over the internet and the world will see it. And it is starting right now. I want to thank Jet, all of the Cockpit warriors, all of the Maroon people them, all of the artists them. I say Muta Baruka in the house, I say Highway, I say Makian, I want to give thanks. Jamaica is ours. We can't afford to let our backyard, all of us, our backyard just go down like that and we don't say anything or do anything. The last time we learned about democracy, that is it. You're supposed to participate in whatever decision and whatever go on in your country. You see me now? When I see a long time I sing, what a nice place to live. Over 30 years I sing. I also sing one next song where I say, me no bow, me no kill. Ras then and Ras now. So it's not a fake thing. And whosoever ever tried to manifest what we tried to do as a fake, them are the fake. So may I say, let us protect Jamaica with all our hearts, all our energies, every fiber, every molecule in our body. Remember, you know, Marcus Garvey alone conquered the world without internet, without cell phone, without all of the gadgets them what we have, all of the sacrifice for our ancestors them make. It's an easy sacrifice this we are making up. We don't want to see nobody a ball about the sun and thirst and them thing there. We can make the sacrifice for the future generation. We have picnic, you know, and them are going to picnic and them picnic they are going to picnic. The reason why I'm here is not so much for I and I. It's for that future generation. Because I'm showing Marcus Garvey them did not do them thing. Them did not do it for we. And if them did do it for we can do it for the next generation too. So like how I see all of the cameras them and everything I'm going to say. Honorable Prime Minister, we honor you, we respect you, sir. You want our birth. Hear me now? Make the alternative. That's something not look like it's going to work. I mean, we get some, let me say it, man. We get some stats, sir, where it says Costa Rica make $1.7 billion each year because of ecotourism. Make we try that now, sir? Make we try that down there. The world will not be fighting for gold and silver and all these things. In the future they will be fighting for water. Because water is life. And if the Cockpit delivers 40% of the water that serves this country, that is almost half. We can't take that for granted. I mean, them something like your hydrology report and your geomorphologist report and all of the report that we have, sir. I mean, just listen to what the people them say. Them talk about the stakeholders boundary. Revisit that something now, please. Andrew, you may talk to you, my virgin. Make it up. Because these people are not going to stop.
We are not going to stop.
Okay.
Ready?
You